Shenzhen Soulin Electronics Technology Company Limited, pioneering precision, empowering innovation. Shenzhen Soulin Electronics, a leader in precision connectors, operates across a 12,000 square meter facility with 280 dedicated professionals. Guided by core values of gratitude, responsibility, innovation, and win-win collaboration, we deliver cutting-edge solutions for automotive electronics, smart meters, industrial automation, security monitoring, smart homes, and communications. Our journey begins at the R&D lab, where a 24/7 technical team leverages 50+ precision testing instruments to design products like pin headers, female header, aviation connectors, box header and ejector header, RJ45, RJ11, BTB, wafer, DIN 41612 and so on. All certified to UL, RoHS, and IATF 16949 standards. In the injection molding zone, 20+ advanced machines shape high-performance components, while 20+ precision stamping systems craft durable connectors with micron-level accuracy. Over 200 automated machines and 10+ production lines ensure efficient, large-scale production. Quality is uncompromising. Every product undergoes rigorous electrical, mechanical, and environmental testing. Our dual-layer quality control IQC, OQC guarantees zero defect from raw materials to final delivery. The 5S certified warehouse streamlines global logistics, ensuring timely shipments. With an integrated supply chain and a certification wall reflecting global trust, Soulin combines innovation with reliability. From concept to connection, Shenzhen Soulin Electronics powers progress through precision engineering and collaborative partnerships.